Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 18th day of June, 2026. And we just got done with US closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today by many people. So here we go with the setup. The setup is, as always, we look for our strong candle indicator, which is this little green triangle, which is pointing upwards, saying, go ahead and trade the market towards the top of the screen. And that's what we're going to do. So then we need to look over at PVI. So I expect the next candle to be somewhere in the 100 tick range. We'll pair that with our ATM. So we'll go for a 20s, 50s, and 100. And this is how the trade went down in the room today. We'll go ahead and get a market order ready. The market is a lot slower today than it was yesterday, thank goodness. And here we just need to see this show a bit of red. Then we'll take our order and put it down on the candle. All right, we wait for the retrace because we want to get a bit of another failure before we get into this trade. So we just wait for it to pull back, fail, and then we go ahead and put an order on. And that should be all she wrote. Be nice if it came back to the 240 close there, but it doesn't have to. If it's not strong enough to do that, that's all right. Now this previous candle broke a couple of stair steps. So it's a very, very good candle. This candle is going to test those stair steps here and here to make sure it wants to stay over them. So once it comes back and pushes off of those and wants to go long, we'll be in very, very good shape. Once we get picked up and our targets are set, we'll go ahead and speed the replay up so that we're not here all day. There we go. All right, first thing we need to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point. Now, when we hit our first target, you'll see that stop will come up to a break-even position very, very close um, to the uh, to the entry point, but not on it. All right, what we'll do is, there you go. See how the stop came from all the way down here up to here? This is a break-even point. First two targets are out. And now we just need to see if our 100 tick target will get hit. And then we just sit and wait. Not, we're in profit. There's no way we can lose money on this trade. Even if it comes back and takes us out at minus 18, it's a minus 18 stop. We've already made 90 ticks. So the worst we can do is come away with plus 72 ticks, which is $360 there. Our last target's out. Brilliant. That entire trade took less than 5 minutes to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in less than 5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The only place you're going to find your strong candle indicator, which makes trading a breeze even for beginners. So we look forward to seeing you next time. Tomorrow's uh, a holiday. We won't talk about that. So the markets will not be open for the U.S. close. So we won't see you until next Monday. So have a great weekend. And until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.